First of all, if your focus is to make £10,000 a month by the second month, then the ideal scenario would be you want to focus on a market or a niche which is going to make you a lot of money quickly. Now, there is no right or wrong with this, because bearing in mind, if you have one person on £80,000 a year or £70,000 a year and you charge 15%, then you will make £12,000 a month for that one person. So if you find 2 or 3 of these people, in essence, you could be making someone's annual salary, £24,000 or £36,000 a year. And by the way, this is just the permanent side. In recruitment, we also have the contracting side where a person will be working for the company. They work on an hourly basis and we charge an hourly profit margin. Let me very quickly give you some numbers. If someone was getting paid £12 an hour, we as a recruitment company would charge £16 an hour, £17 an hour. That would obviously vary depending on what you negotiate with the person. So we would make £4 or £5 per hour for this person working for the other company. Now, this is called contracting or temporary recruitment. You get paid for every hour the person works. It's crazy because it's as passive as a business model as you can get, because someone else is working and you're getting paid at the end of it. Now, that might not sound like a lot, £5 for every time someone works, but sometimes what can happen is a company turns around and says we need 5 or 10 people. So that one contractor would be making you £200 a week and £800 a month. So if you had 5 of those people, you'd be making £4,000 a month, but it would be completely passive. Other people would be working and you would be getting a cut for them working. But contracting and temporary recruitment usually comes into once you build trust and build rapport with the client on the permanent side. Once you have built trust and relationship with the client on the permanent side, then the temporary side will come in. So make sure to subscribe to the channel, because I'll talk about the temporary and the contracting side in another video, but I want to make sure you can get to £10,000 a month by the second month. And that's not going to happen from the contracting side. That's going to happen on the permanent side. But I will say this, imagine 9 months down the line, you're making 3 or 4 permanent placements and you've got 5, 6, 7 contractors out. You'd be doing very well for yourself.